How to delete permanent Instagram account. Follow this step carefully, don't skip any part. First, go to your profile and tap on the three dots. And next, click on the account center. Then go to the personal details section. Find the ownership and control option and click on it. And select the deactivation or deleted option. Choose your account you want to delete. You see two options. The first option, temporarily delete account, and the second option is permanent delete account. Select a permanent delete based on your preference and click on the continue. Now you need to provide a reason for deleting your account, like privacy concerns, and click on the continue and select the continue. Enter your password and click the next step. In the final step, confirm the deactivation your account will be permanent delete. And click on the options. And your account will be successfully deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.